Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube live stream session. And this is the channel by the name of Tournament Traders Club, TTC, what I used to call it as. And I really welcome all of you into the Sunday night OTC session. So what you are going to do, just do nothing, because today again I'm gonna create some high A plus VIP setups. And in this setup what we're gonna do is we are going to do some live trading on the behalf of price action based trading setups. Okay, so those members who are actually new to my channel, welcome back to my YouTube live stream session. Those who are my existing member, so I will say you, if you are hit along with your profit target, then just leave the market, because today we have conducted a live stream, a live compounding session into the tournament. So that was wonderful session at all, because we maintained the 3-step live compounding into the tournament session. That was started from today, $50 to $2,000 37 tournament, and we managed $26 profit on the behalf of $50 capital. So but those who want to take my trades, which I'm going to do live into the live stream session. So I really want you to if you want to take, you can take into the demo if your profit target has already been hit. If your profit target has not hit till yet, you can take the advantage from the setup, from the trading setup or the session which I am going to share it with you. All right, okay. So I hope so my voice is pretty much very clear to you, and my live stream session, quality wise, everything is perfect, because I've just listened to my voice. It's very much clear. Welcome back to the TTC club session, Tournament Trader Club session. And today again I will try my level best to use all of my expertise and to give you 100% best of from my expertise, right? Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is, please tell me what should be the currency pair. Please tell me, so that I can choose the currency pair. So today let's start with a game, a small game, a little bit small game. You will tell me the name of a currency pair. I will make a setup on the behalf of that currency pair, right? So if you will give me the name of the currency pair, definitely I am gonna share the going to start the trading session on the same setup, right? On the same setup. So I'm just waiting for waiting till yet, right? I'm just waiting right now. What you're gonna do is to share the name of the currency pair, just and I'm waiting for that, and it will be good for me, because I know that I'm providing the trading session for all of you. I'm doing all this effort for all of you. So if you are very much serious, then you have to tell me the name of a currency pair into the chat box, so that I can manage, or I can start some making some drawing, some setup on that particular OTC pair. So I'm waiting right now. Do let me know over the chat box. Do let me know. But I will suggest you to please give me the name of a currency pair that must have 90% plus trading session. That must have the 90% plus trading profitable, because if you are putting a $1 trade or $2 trade, it must give you the return of 90% plus, right? So first currency pair is the CAD CHF. Second one will be the Euro JPY, and we are going to go for the third one, that is the USD JPY. And if you will take the fourth one, that is the CAD JPY. And if you are going to take the fifth one, that is the GBP USD. So the first 5 top pairs I have selected. Do let me know in which currency pair we can or we should start doing the trading, where I should make, or I should draw some VIP setups, and I should make some live trading on which currency pair? Tell me right now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Please tell me. I am waiting right now. Please tell me. If you will tell me the name of a currency pair, then definitely I'm gonna go for the same currency pair. Alright guys, if you really want to let me start the trading session, then what you need to do is to share with me the name of a currency pair, any OTCs where I should draw some settings. I should draw some trading setup, and we should start some live trading on that. Alright everyone, it's okay. Then I think so I should start with, or I should go with some I should go with some randomly I should go with some okay. So today what we're gonna do is I'm using some indicators, right? And if we talk about some indicators, then I'm going to take one oscillator, that is MACD, right? We are going to take some help from the MACD, from the oscillator. So oscillator is actually that gives you pretty much helpful in drawing some, or in getting some analysis from the market, no? So that's why. Okay, so this is actually an oscillator. Well, as far as concerned regarding the indicators, so we're gonna go for the zigzag, right? So the combination of these two indicators will really very much helpful for us to take some trade on the behalf of price action based trading. So the first setup is CAD CHF. First trading setup is CAD CHF, and if you will see the chart, then I'm going to make it zoom, right? Market is stuck over here. 30 seconds before, I'm telling you all in advance that market will move towards the next candle down. I'm telling you all in advance, if the current candle closes into the green, then definitely we're gonna go for the next candle down. If current candle closes into the green, we are going to go for the next candle down, right? So if current candle closes into the green, we are going to go for the next candle down, right? So it actually closed into the green, and 30 seconds before I've told you, I told you about the trade, that if the current candle closes into the green, we're gonna go for down. But I will take one more entry within a 30 seconds if the if candle goes into the opposite direction, then definitely I can go for the next entry as well, right? And this is what actually happened right now. So I am drawing just one more entry over here. So this is completely a non-martingale setup. Let's see what's gonna happen. If unfortunately this candle or this trade gets failed, then definitely we're gonna go for finding some more setup. But let's see what's gonna happen over here. Last 10 seconds are remaining. And this is 1000%. win at all. Yes, that is a win at all. So we got a profit of 2 trades in a one single trade, and that's the beauty of the non-martingale setups. Always try to execute the entry before the 2 seconds. First trade got win. First trade got win. Non-martingale first trade got win. Everyone who has uh, everybody who has taken the trade or got the profit, please share the screenshot with me, else he or she can write down the message over the chat box to me. So if you want more signals, then definitely I can provide you the more signals as well. And right now there is no opportunity in CAD, CHF, OTC. So what we are going to do is to shift towards the other currency pair. And let me tell you one thing very importantly, Euro, JPY, OTC, we are going to go for the current candle up, and even you can take the late entry as well if the candle is moving towards the opposite direction. So what we are going to do, if the candle moves in the opposite direction till that level, we can place the entry before the 30 seconds, right? But 40 seconds is 20 seconds is gone, 40 seconds are remaining. Let's see what's gonna happen over here. Market is actually trying to move towards the upward side. This is clear an upward trend. As per my experience or as per my knowledge, नहीं चलाओ इधर जाओ यहाँ से. As per my knowledge and as per my experience, I usually analyze the market within a milliseconds, and this time I am just using my expertise and giving you back-to-back sure shots, non-martingale. This is another non-martingale. The second trade got win. Congratulations again to all non-martingale. We got the second trade got win, and same in the case if you think about it that trading is such a difficult game for you. Obviously it is not a difficult as much game for me. Why? Because I am actually very much pretty much have an expertise into the trading, and I do provide you with by using the best and the best knowledge of mine, right? Okay, so what we are doing right now is nothing. We are going to go for the third setup. Last day in a Saturday OTC market, what we have done, we have I have given you 4 signals. 3 got win, 1 got loss into the non-martingale. Completely that was the non-martingale, and there were no chances of loss at all whenever I used to provide you the session. Obviously there is no chances of loss at all. And last thing is that okay, so right now if I'm getting any opportunity, then definitely I will love to utilize over here. I knew about it that the market will make some down candle, but along with the help of a one martingale step and see one step error, you can find it over here. So that in that kind of situation, a market is always the tricky. Don't need to confirm or don't need to go along with that direction, right? Okay, so Euro, JPY, OTC, let me check it out if I am sure about it. If the next candle gonna go for down, right? We are going to go for the next candle down. That is a bit risky, but we are going to take a risk on the behalf of that. That the current candle is actually moving towards the down. So I just placed an entry over here, and I will go with a 30 seconds late entry as well, because I am still believe on it, because I'm using the non-martingale strategy. I am not taking any martingale over here, so I have to utilize and I have to get the maximum profit from this trade. That's why I'm using the late entry, and I'm splitting my capital per trade into 2 parts, so that I can save my capital, I can maximize my profit, and I can get my entry, and I can get my safe trading. So this is what we used to call it as a safe trading. Let's see what's gonna happen over here. I am pretty much sure about it. The third trade, we are going to go into the non-martingale session, that was the OTC session, and that will be win at all. So the last seconds are remaining. Let's see what's gonna happen. If it is in the last second it goes wrong, then I can't do anything. And see, this is the last second it goes wrong, but it's okay, no problem. We can cover this. This is what the profit has gone, and we can recover it from the profit, right? I told you that I'm still stick along with my decision that the market will move towards a downward, right? We'll make a short candle, a selling candle, but we are not going for the martingale setups. That's why I'm not taking a double entry over here, but we can wait and we can go along with the some more signals. Okay, so for USD JPY OTC, let me check it out. My analysis says that the market will move towards the downward. बेटे काम करने दो ना मुझे. That the market will move towards the downward side, right? And let me check it out that how it actually moves on. How it actually moves on. See, it actually so there is a gap down, right? And I told you that, and for the next candle I will definitely go for the down. So I will take one more entry over here, and let's see what's gonna happen. Because this trade I have to get maximum profit from this trade. I need to get maximum profit from this trade. But unless if this trade gets lost, then please use the emotional management or the money management. Don't get distracted. Just leave the market, close the session, right? So because you will be on the break even, and there is no need to utilize your capital more and more on that kind of thing, or on that kind of day where you will get the maximum, or where you will get the any uncertainty. See, the last trade was for the $50, and I placed 2 trades over here so that I can recover the last trade, and this candle is actually giving me the double profit. So I'm back again into the profit. That is my currently money management and non-martingale. The third setup got win. Non-martingale third trade got win, right? So we got 3 trades. Actually we got the 4 trades. 3 got win, 1 got loss, and we have the 90% plus accuracy. And I really believe that, I do believe that I can go further, right? And if I get a good setup, then definitely I can go further. So let me analyze the situations or the currency pairs where I can go and where I can find a suitable trading opportunity. So right now my analysis is that INR goes for the up. So I'm taking a trade over here, and I will go with some late trading or late entries as well. And this is the late entry. Yeah. This is the late entry, and we will definitely go for the up here as well. So I just placed an entry within a 30 seconds, and let's see what's gonna happen. Because 99% this activity or this practice will actually make my trade secure and safe, and market should move towards the upward side. Why? Because MACD also telling the same way. So that trade actually goes with 1 minute, one more minute, right? So never ever try to place more than within a 30 seconds. Why? Because it will goes into the 1 more minutes, right? So fine, we have to 4, 3, 2 and a 1. So we need to recover that trade as well. I'm still stick along with my decision that market will move actually towards the upward side. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Last 30 seconds are remaining. And within a 30 second, it actually moves. It is moving towards the downward side. because I have placed my entry within a 30 seconds, so that's why it moves towards the downward side. So here market is not respecting at all. So what we're gonna do is we are going to change the currency pair, and let me know, or let me check about it if I can get somewhere entry, right? So Euro JPY is the currency pair where I'm getting the entry, and let's see what's gonna happen over here, because we need to recover our last two entries, the last two trades. This is what this is actually the part of a trading. This is actually the part of a trading. Everybody must clear about it, that nothing is a perfect or 1000% sure at all, and one has to be very much careful while placing the trade, keeping in mind the capital, keeping in mind the funds, keeping in mind each and everything. Alright, so guys, this is the last trade, because we have already in a profit of three trades, and if this trade currently closes into the loss, then definitely I have to stop it right now. Last 3 seconds are remaining. Okay, so within a seconds of the last 3 seconds, market actually is giving me the setback. So I hope so that one has to stop the session, and I am stopping the session right now, because currently market is not working at all. It's not pretty much favorable in terms of the price action, right? So I will definitely meet you again or tomorrow into the live session. Thank you so very much. Bye bye all.